Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to transfer Samsung Notes to iPhone. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, head over to your settings and search for password and autofill. Tap on it and here select your Google account. Once you select, you will be on this page. Here, make sure you saved your password and information of Notes app in this list. Once you make sure that, now let's restore your notes on your iPhone. Now on your iPhone, you have to go to your phone settings. Go to the calendar, click on Add Account and select Google Account and sign in with the exact same Google account that you have used to sign in on your old Samsung device. Once you have signed in to your Google account, and then all of your notes will be restored on your new iPhone. Another way of sending your notes to other phone is by opening your Notes application. Select the notes that you want to send to your iPhone. For example, I will select this note, and I will click on the three-dotted menu on the above and click on Send. And then I can send it via email, via WhatsApp, via any other method. That's also a good method to send your notes to your new phone or your iPhone. There is also another third method that is also very easy. You can select any note that you want to send to your iPhone. Click on the three-dotted menu, click on the Send button and find and select Google Drive. Click on Google Drive and upload your notes to your Google Drive. Once they have uploaded, go to your iPhone and you can download your notes from your Google Drive on your iPhone. And that's the third method. You can choose any method which is convenient to you. So that's basically how you can transfer Samsung Notes to iPhone. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.